Adhesive bonding is defined as the process of joining parts using a non-metallic substance, adhesive, which undergoes a physical or chemical hardening reaction, causing the parts to join together through surface adherence, adhesion, and internal strength, cohesion. The main advantage of adhesive joining over welding, riveting, brazing, and screw fastening is that the load is distributed more evenly at right angles to the loading direction. The figure shows the advantages and disadvantages of adhesive joining. It serves as a help in choosing the appropriate joining method. Advantages: load distributed uniformly at right angles to loading direction. Microstructure unaffected. Distortion-free joining. Different materials can be joined. Very thin parts can be joined. Weight saving. Heat-sensitive materials can be joined. Metals with different electrochemical properties can be joined. High strength in combination with riveting, spot welding, screw fastenings. High fatigue strength. Good vibration damping. Disadvantages: influence of time on process properties. Pretreatment of joining part surfaces. Limited form stability. Process parameters must be held within very narrow range. Change of properties of joint with time. Complicated control of process. Low peeling strength, creep sensitive. Low adhesive layer strength must be compensated by large joining area. Repair possibilities limited. Complicated strength calculation. Adhesive joints are composite systems whose strength depends on both the geometrical design and loading type. As in every composite system consisting of different members, the overall strength is limited by the weakest member, adhesion and cohesion. Adhesion is defined as the adhesive force acting between the adhesive and the surface of the material. This force is the result of the mechanical interlocking between adhesive and the material surface roughness, mechanical adhesion, as well as the physical and chemical interaction between the adhesive and the material, specific adhesion. Cohesion is the strength of the adhesive itself. This is a result of the mechanical entangling and interlocking of the adhesive molecules and their physical and chemical affinity for each other. A necessary condition for attaining high adhesion forces is the ability of the adhesive to wet the surfaces of the joining parts properly. The wetting is optimal when the angle of contact does not exceed 30 degrees. This can be achieved in principle by a suitable surface treatment of the joining parts and by choosing an appropriate viscosity for the adhesive. The separation of adhesive joints occurs due to the failure of adhesion or cohesion or of both, that is, mixed adhesion and cohesion failure. A cohesion failure is to be strived at. An adhesion failure indicates that the surfaces of the parts to be joined had not been properly pretreated. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.